Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to help you create medium and low content books that are high demand and low competition. Now, we do daily videos here on the channel breaking down Amazon profitable KDP keywords for you to make the research process easier for you. And we also do this using 4 free Chrome extensions that I explained in one of the videos linked in the description box below. You can find that in the box below this video. Also, there are 2 30-day free trials available for you to take advantage of. One, an all-access Creative Fabrica 30-day free trial, and then other one is a Canva Pro 30-day free trial, all access trial to help you in formatting, creating, and basically editing your KDP covers and interiors as well. So if you don't have a Creative Fabrica subscription or a Canva Pro subscription, take advantage of these 2 30-day trials in order to kickstart your Amazon KDP business. Now, subscribe to the channel for my daily videos and click on the bell icon in order to be informed of all our new videos. And let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is connect dots for kids ages 3. It has a beautiful metrics right over here. First of all, a strong keyword niche score by both self-publishing titans as well as Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Self-publishing titans has given this keyword a keyword niche score of 50, which is good to see, and it beautifully complements the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 8, categorizing this niche as a nice keyword or nice niche. Now, I'm pretty happy with number 8. Number 9 is the highest, so number 8 is pretty good for this keyword. Also, the total results are around that 1,000, and the total results are 1,396. The average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which sits at 69,057. The average reviews are 1,032, and the average price is $6.60. What you're doing here, you're creating a book to do with activities that are all connect dots for children ages 3. So you want to keep it super basic, super minimalistic, but keep the cover colorful. And it could be a combination of sheets to do with animals, all to do with connect the dots, simple ones, and also fun illustrations that all have to do with completing the image by connecting the dots that way. So let's go over to Creative Fabrica and see what kind of interiors, if any, do they have in Creative Fabrica. So we're going to go over here, copy and paste the title, connect dots, and we'll see if there is any interiors available for us to download. There's this one right over here, connect dots cartoon insect theme. It's not something that I would recommend because it is quite complicated for a 3-year-old. So if you can find anything like this but even a bit more basic, then highly recommend to take advantage of it using the 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica if you don't have yet an active subscription. So this contains 7, I think, 6 connect the dot to do with animals, but let's just go over here and write dot to dot. So you want to play around with this dot to dot, and once I've just changed the wording and I wrote dot to dot, we have, as you can see, much more better results. So sometimes all it takes is to play around with the words, say, okay, connect dots did not give me as much results as I want. What is another way I could write this? What is this kind of word known for as another name? And as you can see, we have a whooping 24,243 results, but we don't want all of these. We want to filter according to KDP interiors and also dot to dot, which is right here. It's beautiful to see that in the categories section. So we're also going to filter it according to dot, which is exactly the same as connect the dots. So we have this autumn thing, we have the Halloween theme, which is really good to see, and also the drawings are super simple, much more simple than the ones that we previously had a look at. These ones are also super easy, suitable for children around the age of 3 because it's just 1 to 10. As you can see here, easy, and the drawings are simple and it's quick to do as well. This one's a dinosaur theme, then again 1 to 10, super simple, suitable for children at the age of 3. This one's a horse, this one's a dinosaur. So what you can do is, because it's not specified whether this has to do with a specific theme, you can go ahead and specialize, create a book about dinosaur dots for kids ages 3, one about Halloween, one about Thanksgiving, and use this keyword, utilize this keyword and the title, utilize this keyword in either the title or the subtitle or as one of the 7 keyword slots. If you currently have a book in your Amazon KDP portfolio that is about connect the dot activities, then you can go ahead and open up the editing and include this exact keyword the same way as it is written right over here. Just copy and paste it and insert it in one of the 7 keyword slots. That way your book would be ranking for this keyword right over here, connect dots for kids ages 3. Now that's out of the way, let's have a look at the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is connect the dots for kids ages 8 to 12 hard. So this is also a great long tail keyword. We have most of the information that we need to create a book right now, and it has a keyword news score of 49, which is good to see, quite similar to the previous by Self-Publishing Titans. It has a total results of 552, which is under 1,000, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is 94,231, which is good. It's under that 300,000 mark that we would like it to be. And the average reviews are 975. Average price is $8.23. So because of this beautiful data that all checks the boxes for profitability, we're going to go ahead and ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro, because it does not much match this data right here as well. So always Self-Publishing Titans gets priority in terms of the total results, the average bestseller rank. So what you're doing here, you're creating a book, connect the dot activities for children that are aged between 8 to 12 years old, and you're specifically focusing on hard level, the level of hard. So in the previous keyword, it's not specified because we're actually creating for children that are aged 3 years old. It's not specified whether it's easy, whether it's medium, whether it's hard, because obviously 3-year-old children, we just want it to be as minimalistic, as easy as much as possible. Focus on the high quantity as well, a lot of connect the dot activities to keep that 3-year-old child occupied. Here it's specifying that they want the book to be a hard level. They want the book to kind of be challenging, and especially for children aged between 8 to 12 years old. So it's also, you can sub-niche according to the theme, because the keyword does not indicate the theme of the book. It's not indicating whether we are doing a dinosaur, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, these kind of things. It's up to you whether you want to create a general book, connect the dots activities, or whether you want to specify and create sub niches, and that way you'll be able to take advantage of this beautiful keyword and also have 2 or 3 or 4 even more books that are all connected to this keyword, but they all talk about specific things as well. So that was the keyword, connect the dot activities for kids 8 to 12 hard. But what we're going to do here, we're going to head over to Creative Fabrica and we're going to have a look at this section right over here, and I want to add in hard. So this one was dot to dot and then hard. Let's see what comes up here, if there's anything. If not, then we can manually click the back section. This one is a Italian one, that's an activity book. So as I expected, not really much result that we can rely on. So I'm going to go back, and what we can do right now is focus on, just by looking visually, manually, we get to select the interiors that are suitable for 8 to 12 years old and that also are challenging. For example, this one right here, this is a volume 1, 8.5 times 11 inches. They are quite challenging. They're not the 1 to 10 numbers such as this one over here. This one's a 1 to 10, super quick. I'm looking at this right now. I know it's for children that are really, really young, preschoolers and even much more younger as well. This one right here is challenging. There's much more dots to connect. The drawings are much more sophisticated as well. Let's have a look at as well to see if there is any other ones that are look like, there are they are much more harder as well. So just scroll down, have a look. You have a lot of results that you need to filter, and also quantity does play a big role when it comes to these kind of things. The more activities, dot activities that you include in your book, the better it is, because it's going to keep children occupied. It's going to give that added perceived value as well. And if you do a specific themed dot book, for example, whether it's about fruit or dinosaurs, or anything to do with Christmas, anything to do with the seasonal things, have a section or in between the interior, add in that educational element, whether it's fun facts about that specific event, a seasonal event, or whether it's about that specific animal, some fun facts, life cycle, to add in always that educational element. Because we want to keep children occupied, yes, but we want to educate them at the same time, but make it not look like we're educating them, because we get to input that fun facts, that little activities, a little bit of prompt questions here and there to keep their mind stimulated, but make it fun, and don't make it like you were teaching them something and it's boring. And you could do that with elements available on Canva as well. And let's have a look at our third and final keyword for today's video. And it is a robot activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Robot activity book for kids ages 4 to 8 has a total results of 1,850, and it is around that 1,000-2,000 mark, which is good to see. The average bestseller rank is around that 300,000, so it's sitting at an average of 312,631. The average reviews are 961, and the average price is $7.77. Also, the keyword news score given by Amazon's Cat Pro beautifully complements the starter that we have here, and they've given us a number 8, categorizing this as a nice niche. And we also have a keyword niche score of 34 by Self-Publishing Titans, but I'd rather stick to number 8 because of this beautiful data right over here. Total results around that 1,000 mark, and nothing over 1,000, like around that, in that 1,000 range. It's not 2,000, it's not above. The average bestseller rank is around that 300,000 mark, which is ideal, and it is good to see. So this is an activity book, so think about what kind of activities you're going to include: crosswords, mazes, word searches, puzzles, anything to do with robots. In this case, if you do want to add in that educational element as well, you can include, for example, some fun facts in between the like a small section, a fun box to do with fun facts about robots. When was the first robot created? Who was it created by? What did it look like? Some prompt questions as well that are suitable for children around the age of 4 to 8, maybe around 6, 7, 8 years old. Like, what would you do if you were a robot? What kind of robot would you be? Like a multiple choice in between the interior. What kind of robot would you be? Would you be a robot that would, as in a would you rather? Because these are also fun, and they're engaging, and they're going to keep children occupied as well, and you're going to scatter them all over the place. Or if you would rather a systematic, logical approach, then dedicate a page or two of would you rather in between the activity book as well. So robot activity book is a great one. We're going to go ahead and take that, head over to Creative Fabrica quickly, and have a look at the interiors available under this keyword right here. Robot activity book. We are left with massive, beautiful, intensive results. 472 results for the keyword robot activity book. There are coloring pages which you can also incorporate, but make sure you include other activities as well, such as puzzles and word searches and mazes and these kind of things. Don't completely focus only on coloring pages, because it is an activity book, and you need to always have as much activities in there that fall in the box. And that way it would be amazing to create a book about that. So just as a quick summary, this one's also nice. This is scissor skills, which is also one activity that you can include maybe 3 or 4 or 10 pages in between the activity book about the scissor skills. This is a trace and color. This is connect the dots. So if you have this all access subscription, you can go ahead and download this, and this, and I know you're only allowed to download 10 interiors in that all access CVS Creative Fabrica 30-day subscription. So take advantage and be wise about what you're going to use in there. So as a quick summary, we have the first keyword was connect dots for kids ages 3 with a keyword niche score of 50. The second one was connect the dots for kids ages 8 to 12 hard level with a keyword niche score of 49. And finally, we have robot activity book for kids ages 4 to 8 years old with a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. I wish you all the best, every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.